Hello, Year 6. Welcome back. Happy Tuesday morning. Okay, I'm here again to tell you about what you're going to be doing in maths this morning. Okay, and I hope that you found yesterday's video helpful and that you were able to find the area and perimeter of those shapes. So, moving forward with Tuesday. Okay, just move myself up there. This morning, we've got a white rose video for you to watch. So if you click on this link here, it will take you through to this video. And it's all about calculating the area of triangles today. Okay, so you might have found the rectangles work a little bit easy. Okay, this bit is where it gets a little bit more complicated. So have a look at the video. Remember your pen and paper. Do some of the questions that it asks you to do. But remember, we don't use the worksheets. Okay. Once you've watched the video, you'll come to these three questions. Now, they look similar, but they're not all the same. Okay, and what we'd like you to do is count the squares to calculate the area of the triangles. So, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's not quite my full answer because I've only done the whole squares there, 10 whole squares. In our top tip, it says you can join half and half of a square together to make a whole one. So for example, I could take this one and that one to make another one. So that's 11. That one and that one is 12. And this one is at half, so it's 12 and a half centimeters squared. Okay. See if you can do that for the other two. Okay. This one here, it says estimate the area of each triangle by counting the squares. Now, it's a little bit more tricky because the green one and the orange one are tilted, or they've got sides, okay, that make really tiny pieces of squares. Now you can try and piece them together if you want to, okay, but maybe you could just estimate, have a good guess, all right? Then we'd like you to look at this little problem here and find a link between the square and the triangle areas. What do you notice? All right. Moving on, you can see that we've got this question here about two different types of triangles. And then down here, it explains a formula that you can use to help find the area of a triangle. Okay, now it explains it by proving to you that the area of a rectangle, as you know, is length times height. For example, 3 times 6. That will be 18 centimeters squared. Now I can see that this triangle is exactly half. If I was to draw a line across there, oops, sorry, let me just go back. If I was to draw a line down here, it would be exactly half. So what do you think that we can do to find the area of a triangle if we've got the length and the height? Try and write the formula at the bottom. Once you've got that formula, okay, it should be length times height divided by 2 because it's half. So it'd be 2 times 7 is 14. Divide it in half, which is 7. So the area of this triangle is 7 centimeters squared. Okay, try and work out the other ones. Just be careful on the blue one. Make sure you pick the length and the height. Here's your challenge for today. All right. What could the length be? Because our area is 54, so you might have to work backwards. And then we've got this one here, and Mo says, I got an answer of 72 centimeters squared. Do you agree or not? Okay, because we're just trying to work out this purple triangle section, not the whole thing. How many has it been split up into? See if you can work out that. All right. So those are your questions and challenges for Tuesday. Enjoy.